What's up guys, we're going to be looking at Better With You today by Jesse McCartney. It's a brand new song that he's brought out recently. And yeah, we have the Capo on the 4th fret. Okay, you can buy these really cheap online. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to start with the intro and the verse. Okay, we have about three parts to learn for this song. Maybe 4. Okay, so the first part we have this D at the bottom and the bass note changes. Okay, quite simple. So let's look at this bit first. We have first finger on the G string, 2nd fret from the Capo. Okay, 3rd finger's on the B string, 3rd fret from the Capo. Okay, then we use our middle finger to change the bass note. So we have 2nd fret A string, open A, then 2nd fret E string, then 3rd fret. Okay, so this changes. Fret 2, open, fret 2, fret 3. Now, you can play it a few ways. On the record, he sort of plays the top 2 fingers and then he plays all of them. So first you play the bass note and your first finger here on the G string. Okay, then you play everything. Okay, twice. So if you look at my right hand, you can see I pick the bass note and I pluck the G and the B string with my middle finger and my 3rd finger, right? So we can do that for the intro and we could also do it for the first verse, right? So I know it's ugly turning on the news. There's people fighting over point of view. Sometimes it's like there's nothing left to lose. And I don't know what to do, but I know it's better with you. Okay, then we get to the chorus. It's exactly the same. You can even pick and pluck if you want to. I like to strum, so okay, so I sort of play down, up, down, down, up, down. So down, up, down, down, up, down, like that. Down, up, down, down, up, down. So keep that hand moving, up, down. So you get the up in the right place. Down, up, down, down, up, down. 3, 4, down, up, down. Okay, now it is a little bit quicker. I'm just showing you slowly, just so you understand what I'm doing, alright? So the chorus, just so you know what I mean with the lyrics here. Okay, we're going. I was a wreck when you came along. Then there was nothing left. You showed me the best. I'm still the best, but you moved on. Don't know just why you do, but I know I'm better with you. Okay, then we have this build-up part. Okay, so this is rhythm number 2 here. We're gonna have this. Yeah, and then so to play this, we're gonna have to have our middle finger on the G string, 2nd fret, instead of the 1st finger. Before we had, right, this time have your middle finger there, okay? Now we're gonna start picking the D string with the plectrum, right? And then middle finger, 3rd finger. So we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then the E string Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's all in 3. Okay. The second one we pick F sharp, fret 2. Okay, so we've gone from this shape to, okay, so we slide the third finger along to the second fret and we add first finger to fret 2 here. Okay, exactly the same thing. Alright, then we start it back, and now we have B in the bass, and then we just play G just the once. Okay, you play the whole chord if you want. Okay, so middle finger on the third fret. Yeah, so all together, and then change. Okay, but I know I'm better with you. And then the drop happens, right? So, but I know I'm better with you. But I know I'm better with you. Okay, then we have the drop. Alright, so it's a similar thing for the drop, okay? Still the same fingering. Here we have middle finger, third finger. Then we have the F sharp shape, the B minor 7 shape, okay, and the G shape. Okay, so we want to have this bum 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 bum. Okay, in the midst of the chords we want to have that. So the strumming pattern we need to use is this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so slower, I'm going down, down, up, down, up, down. And again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So always move the hand to the beat. 1, 2, 3. Okay, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so always start with down, down on the first beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So my hand's always moving, right? But you emphasize these beats here. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And on that last up, try and really get that E string and try and avoid it for the rest of it. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Because then you get the important note, okay? So one more time, I'm going down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, now take a look at this hand again. Now I've shown you this rhythm, alright? You can see where I'm trying to cover the E string a little bit and then let it be free when it needs to be played. So down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay, that's the drop. Boom, dun, 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 boom, dun, 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 boom, dun, 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 boom, dun, 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 dun. Okay, it's trying to get that little melody that's in the song, trying to emphasize that in the chords. Okay, it's tricky. And then we're going to go back into... And remember, the first finger needs to go on the second fret this time, not the middle finger. So verse 2 is exactly the same as verse 1. We can play the same thing, right? So, for every laugh there is a silent cry. For every day there is a darkened night. Sometimes this life doesn't treat us right. And I don't know what to do, but I know it's better with you. And then remember, we strum for the chorus. I was a wreck when you came along. When there was nothing left, you showed me the best. I'm still a mess, but you hold on. Don't know why you do, but I know I'm better with you. And then, again, same thing. Okay, now, what I did there was I messed up. I kept this first finger down. Remember, change to the middle finger when we're doing this build-up bit for the drop. Because then you can just slide over to this one. But I know I'm better with you. And we have another drop, right? Now, once we played this drop, we have sort of like a breakdown, a bridge. Now, the bridge is the same chords as the verse. Okay, exactly the same, but we have a different kind of vibe. It's more flowy. So, wherever you are, it's never a start. Whenever I start sleeping, you make all the difference. And there from the start, no matter how hard, whatever piece is missing, you know how to fix it. I was a wreck when you came along. Then we have another chorus, right? So all I'm doing there, if you look on my right hand, I have more of this. Okay, so it's so the bass note is bom 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 bom. It's constant. So pick, middle finger, pick, third finger, pick, middle finger, pick, everything. You can even use your little finger on the B string, right? As long as the bass note's going boom, 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 the rest can be anything, honestly, it doesn't matter. You can play any old finger. Okay, as long as you pick and do middle finger first. The rest doesn't matter, okay? So just do what feels natural, you know, you don't have to play an exact thing that I'm playing here, right? Now when we get to the chorus, remember you can strum instead of picking if you want to make it bigger. I was a wreck when you came along. When there was nothing left, you showed me the best. I'm still a mess, but you hold on. Don't know just why you do, but I know I'm better with you. Okay, now this time we don't have the build up. We don't have. Okay, it just goes straight into a drop. So finish on. But I know I'm better with you. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, straight into the drop. Or you can shorten that little gap if you want, so it can be more like this. But I know I'm better with you. 2, 3, 4. Okay, it can be a shorter gap. Okay, listen to the song. You can do it how the song goes, or do whatever gap you want. Okay, so I hope this lesson was really helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.